patrol. Okay, lumalabas sa exam ito. Yung proactive patrol sa reactive patrol. Sa proactive patrol, the deployment of field personnel in their respective AOR, ibig sabihin ng AOR, area of responsibility, with prescribed objectives and verifiable tasks scheduled for the day to augment the calls and other on-site activities that make up the officer's day. Proactive patrol. Okay. So nandun ka, proactive ka. More on deterrent ka, more on crime prevention. Pero itong tinatawag na reactive patrol, a patrol activity which consists of driving around the district, waiting for something to happen. Nag-aantay ka lang na may mangyari. So, drive ka lang, sige, ikot-ikot ka, inaantay mong may mangyari, then saka ka magre-react. Tawag doon, reactive patrol. Pero yung tinatawag na proactive patrol, hindi ka nang nag-aantay na may mangyari, may ginagawa ka na. Okay? May mga objectives ka doon, may mga verifiable task ka, schedule na dapat mong gawin. So lahat ng ginagawa mo is a proactive activity. Okay? Pero yung reactive patrol, nag-aantay ka lang na may mangyari. Okay? Driving around and waiting for something to happen. Yan kaibahan ng proactive sa reactive. Sa reactive, antay ka lang, then responde pag may tawag, pag may nangyari. Sa proactive, mayroon ka nang ginagawa. Hindi lang yung nagdadrive ka dyan. Marami ka pang ibang ginagawa as a proactive measures. Okay, para at least ma-accomplish mo yung lahat ng objectives mo kung bakit ka na-assign doon. Yun ang proactive patrol. Pag sinabing proactive, wala pang nangyayari, may measure ka ng ginagawa. Pag reactive, okay, magre-react ka lang pag may nangyari na. So reactive, kaya tinawag na reactive. Proactive and reactive patrol. Okay. Then we will crime prevention, anticipation, recognition, and appraisal of crime risks, and the initiation of positive action to remove or reduce risks. Its objectives aim towards ways and means to reduce the desire of human being to commit crime. So tatanggalin natin yung desire to commit crime. Okay, yan ang crime prevention. Pag nagkakandak ka ng crime prevention, yan tinatawag na proactive ka. May proactive measure ka. So crime prevention, proactive. On the other hand, crime suppression is a modern approach in crime control, which deals with apprehension, investigation, trial, correction, and punishment of the criminal. Ang kaibahan ng crime prevention sa crime suppression ganito. Sa crime prevention, wala pang nangyaring krimen. May ginagawa ka na para ma-prevent yung occurrence of crime. Sa crime suppression, may nangyari ng krimen. Ang gagawin mo na lang, magre-react ka. So, reactive ito, yung sa crime suppression. Kailangan mo nang mag-apprehend, mag-investigate. Yan. Yun. So, yan ang kaibahan ng crime prevention sa crime suppression. On the other hand, crime repression is the act of preventing the actual